Right now, you are a slave. You didn't click on this video by accident. You clicked it because you are completely exhausted. You are tired of waking up every single morning, only to immediately pick up your phone and flood your brain with cheap dopamine before your eyes are even fully open. You spend hours scrolling through short-form videos, chasing a digital high that leaves you feeling empty, anxious, and broken by sunset. You want to build a better life. You want to get into incredible shape. You want to achieve greatness. But your brain refuses to cooperate. Here is the terrifying truth. You are not lazy. You are just a casualty in a multi-billion-dollar psychological war designed by Silicon Valley to destroy your focus and keep you weak. And today, we are breaking you out of the matrix. To defeat the system, you must understand how it has rewired your biology. Every single time you unlock your phone, double-tap a photo, or swipe to the next video, your brain releases a massive wave of a chemical called dopamine. It is the molecule of desire, anticipation, and motivation. For thousands of years, humans had to fight incredibly hard for a tiny drop of dopamine. You had to hunt, build shelter, or accomplish a brutal goal. Dopamine was nature's reward for hard work and survival. But today, billion-dollar tech giants have weaponized this evolutionary mechanism against you. They designed algorithms specifically engineered to flood your brain with cheap dopamine in milliseconds without you lifting a single finger. Every infinite scroll is a digital slot machine, and your mind is completely addicted to the gamble. When you expose your brain to this extreme artificial overload day after day, your dopamine receptors get fried. They numb out. This is exactly why productive, high-value tasks like reading a book, studying, or building a business feel physically painful to you. Your brain is starving for the next quick hit, and it views real work as a total waste of time. The worst part isn't just the hours you waste, it's the slow destruction of your mind. Have you noticed how impossible it is to sit quietly in a room for just 10 minutes without reaching for your pocket? Your phone has completely broken your ability to experience boredom. But boredom is exactly where focus, genius, and deep creativity are born. By filling every single silent gap in your day with digital noise, you are burning out your prefrontal cortex, the exact part of your brain responsible for willpower, discipline, and long-term success. You constantly lie to yourself. You say, "I'll just watch one more video, and then I'll start working." You say, "I will change on Monday." But Monday comes and goes, and you are trapped in the exact same spot. You are running on a digital hamster wheel, running out of time, while tech companies convert your stolen attention into billions of dollars. They get rich and powerful while you stay distracted, broken, and average. It is time to fight back. Fixing your brain doesn't require a miracle. It requires a hard biological reset. This is the 7-day dopamine protocol, designed to completely reclaim your mind. Step number 1, go grayscale. Right now, open your smartphone settings, search for color filters, and turn your screen completely black and white. Tech companies hire elite color psychologists to make their apps look like bright, irresistible candy. When your Instagram or TikTok looks like a boring 1950s newspaper, the neurological trigger is shattered. Your phone instantly loses its power over you. Step number 2, the 20-foot rule. The human brain is naturally wired to save energy. If your phone is sitting right next to your computer on your desk, your brain will subconsciously reach for it. When it's time to work, physically place your phone in another room or lock it inside a drawer. If it takes physical effort to stand up and walk to get your phone, your brain will choose the path of least resistance, which is the work right in front of you. Step number 3, the 60-minute morning fast. The first hour of your day sets the chemical baseline for your brain. If you flood your mind with notifications, the second you wake up, you ruin your focus for the next 12 hours. For the first 60 minutes of your day, do not touch your screen. Let your brain produce natural dopamine through silence, movement, and reality. The modern world wants you distracted. It wants you to be a passive consumer, a slave to the screen, because hyper-focused, disciplined individuals are dangerous to the system. You have a critical choice to make right now. You can close this video, slip right back into the endless scroll, and remain exactly who you were yesterday. Or you can take control of your biology today. I challenge you to test this protocol for just 3 days. Drop a comment below saying, "I accept," to lock in your commitment and prove you are serious. Watch how your focus returns, how the brain fog vanishes, and how you start completely outperforming 99% of the people around you. The choice is yours. Choose wisely. If you are ready to unlock your true potential and join the top 1%, subscribe. I will see you in the next chapter.